Hello everyone, this is a quick and short update about Avenue Supermarkets DMart's Q3 FY22 results. So let's directly go to the results. Here is a picture in front of you which depicts the financials of the company, consolidated results of Avenue Supermarkets. 9,217 crore revenue from operations, and as we can see, the total net profit after tax is around 552 crore. So definitely there is a good increase in QOQ as well as YOY figures, and that is encouraging. I will discuss about all of these things in detail in this video only. But before that, we'll just have a look at the margin. अभी DMart जैसे company में what we have to look forward. It's already a mature business model, although there are certain things which are going on. But now every result we have to look at one thing, whether the margin is expanding or what is the status of net profit margin. So when we look at the margin, it is somewhere around 5.55 to 5.5% net profit margin, which is healthy. Looking at the industry, it is healthy. So, okay, I will comment on this in the very next part of the video. Here is a picture, again one picture in front of you, which gives you an overall view of the Q3 result. So, revenue 9,000 crore, approximately 22% higher YOY. EBITDA margin, EBITDA growth is 25% YOY, again very good. PAT, profit after tax, 24%, 25% YOY growth, again very impressive. Now, they have added 17 stores in Q3 FY22, 17 stores, and as you can see in the very next part of the text, the last point, 29 stores were added in 9 months of FY22, but out of these 29 stores, 17 stores are added in this quarters only, this December quarter. So significant jump in the stores opened by DMart in Q3. So that is very encouraging. We can see that this kind of growth in upcoming quarters as well. So far as the figures are concerned, all the figures are in line, and profit after tax for 9 months stands around 1150 crore, which shows YOY growth of 57%. That is again impressive figure. Here CEO of the DMart is commenting, Mr. Norona. Revenue in DMart stores is increased by 22% in this quarter over the corresponding quarter last year. Overall gross margins are marginally lower due to mix deterioration. General merchandise and apparel business is consistently seeing relatively lesser sales contribution, while essentials and FMCG is doing better. Inflation and lesser opportunities to go out are negatively impacting certain categories more than others. We are seeing higher inflation as an opportunity to make our buying more efficient, our assortment sharper, and continue to keep cost low. Considering the current COVID wave, our sales and footfalls will be dependent on local regulations. We continue to take all precautions to ensure every shopper, employee, and partner is operating in safe environment. So this was about the Q3 FY22 result of DMart. Now again we are witnessing some sort of restrictions from past few days, and this will definitely hamper the DMart stock in a short term. But the DMart is very much a developed model of DMart ready over the past 1 year or so, and it is able to deliver the goods successfully to customers over the past 1 year, more than a year. Now, this subsidiary e-commerce, Avenue e-commerce, that is the basic point, and unfortunately, in this result, we cannot see the segment-wise revenue of the e-commerce business of Avenue Supermarket. I think that would have been very interesting if we were able to see the e-commerce figures in the results, segment-wise result, so that the valuation part becomes easy. Valuations are in line. Stock is around trading to 4,700. It might look very high, 200 plus price to earning ratio, but it's looking at the fundamentals and growth of the business, and they are trying some new stuff every now and then. It is in line with the long-term discounted cash flow of the business model. Now, as we know, the inflation is a common denominator for every industry, and when it comes to this retail industry where the margins are already very tight, very thin margin, the business model or the business setup is like that. It works on very thin margins. So already this 5.5% net profit margin itself is the highest in the industry, and even in this tough times, the company is able to deliver 5.5% approximately net profit margin. It is I would say impressive. But what we have to look now, really, as a long-term investor, what is the one thing that we should look into this company? अगर कुछ मैं कहना ही चाहूँ, अभी क्या देखना चाहिए? स्टोर एक्सपेंशन तो आप देख ही रहे हो. इट इज वेरी मतलब कमेंडेबल, तारीफ करने लायक है. मैनेजमेंट का तो कोई मतलब डाउट ही नहीं है. इट्स वेरी साउंड मैनेजमेंट, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मैनेजमेंट्स यू कैन हैव इन इंडिया, एंड दे आर एक्सपेंडिंग लाइक वेरी रैपिडली. नाउ अभी देखने वाली बात ये है कि इनका जो ई कॉमर्स वेंचर है वो थोड़ा वैल्यूएशन को कहीं ना कहीं सस्टेन किए हुए, बिकॉज नाउ द थिंग्स आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स 10 minutes डिलीवरी, 15 minutes डिलीवरी, हाफ एन आवर डिलीवरी. और इनके रियल कॉम्पिटिटर्स अगर अभी मार्केट में कोई है, डिस्काउंट में तो डीमार्ट का कोई कॉम्पिटिटर एज फार एज आई नो, माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग गोज, कोई है नहीं. बट वेन वी लुक एट द स्विगी, इंस्टामार्ट, ग्रोफर्स या ब्लिंकिट, बिग बास्केट, ये ऐसे जो स्टार्टअप्स है, ये कहीं ना कहीं अब इस डीमार्ट के कॉम्पिटिटर्स है मार्केट में. डीमार्ट इज ऑल्सो कॉम्पिटिंग ऑन वन बेसिस विद दिस अपकमिंग बिजनेस मॉडल्स विद डीमार्ट रेडी ऑफरिंग. और इनका एक हाइब्रिड मॉडल है. एक आप तो पिकअप कर सकते हो नियर बाय डीमार्ट रेडी स्टोर से, या आप घर पे डिलीवरी करवा सकते हो. सो ये हाइब्रिड मॉडल इज अगेन impressive, which is not there in other business models. तो ये एक इनका impressive है. मुंबई, पुणे, अहमदाबाद, हैदराबाद एरिया में ये लोग ने वो शुरू किया और they are testing, and I'm sure in last quarter they have opened up in 2 cities. One of the city was वडोदरा. वहाँ पे वो लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ये मॉडल टेस्ट करना. और भी एक बात है कि जो डीमार्ट रेडी स्टोर है, जैसे एक छोटा सा स्टोर होता है, वहां पे उन्होंने ओवर द काउंटर सेल करना भी शुरू कर दिया है कुछ चीजों का, जैसे ब्रेड है, मिल्क ब्रेड, एंड ये कुछ सर्टन आइटम्स या सेलिंग ओवर द काउंटर वहीं के वहीं. नो नीड टू बुक योर ऑर्डर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. डायरेक्टली यू कैन टेक द गुड्स एंड पे ऑन द ओवर द काउंटर. सो इट्स लाइक अ किराना शॉप. इट्स लाइक अ किराना शॉप और ट्रेडिशनल सेटअप. सो दैट इज इम्प्रेसिव. मेच्योर हो रहा है, बट अगेन एज आई सेड, ई कॉमर्स के फिगर्स रहते तो थोड़ा मजा आता. और एक मैं हाईलाइट करना चाहूंगा, पिछले कुछ वीडियो आप देख सकते हो कि चैनल पे अवेलेबल है डीमार्ट के फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस के भी. एक वीडियो मैंने डिलिबरेटली पेंडिंग रखा है, वो मैं कुछ और फिगर्स का वेट कर रहा हूँ सो दैट आई कैन रियली गो इन डेप्थ. आप एक ई कंपनी को जब आप देखते हो इतना ज्यादा वैल्यूएशन, प्राइस टू अर्निंग रेशियो ऑफ लाइक 250, 225, 200, so it might look very pricey. But the point is that you look at this as a platform business model. It is emerging as a very strong platform, offline platform as well as online platform, backed by very strong supply chain management, and highly discounted products are available on the these within DMart stores and also on their online app. और भी मैं एक बात आपको highlight करना चाहूँगा, they were not into the pure electronic space. Now they are coming up with headphones और कुछ electronic items उन्होंने बेचना शुरू कर दिया है. Not only in DMart stores but also on their DMart Ready app. Headphones, Skull Candy के मैंने कुछ headphones देखे. So the point is that this is a high margin segment जहाँ पे margin का scope मिल जाता है. So and definitely people will prefer to purchase from DMart if certain items are available on DMart platform, including the electronics item. So if we see in upcoming quarters electronic product offering on this DMart platform, it could lead to re-rate होने का ये चांस बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. ये स्टॉक एनी टाइम इट कैन बी री-रेटेड, और अभी ये 4700 से एनी टाइम इट कैन गो टू 5500 6000. वो तो ठीक है, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टॉक प्राइस और टारगेट ऑफ द स्टॉक्स. बट इनका ये दो कुछ ऑफरिंग है, दे आर नॉट इनटू द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेगमेंट. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट वो बेच नहीं रहे. अभी वो सिर्फ हेडफोन्स और कुछ माइनर प्रोडक्ट्स बेचना शुरू किए प्लेटफॉर्म पे. So there is a lot of scope, including cell phones, TV, audio systems, and so on. There are a number of products, mobile accessories. They are not into that as of now. But if they enter into it, there is a large opportunity which opens up for this company. So just it was an overview of Q3 FY22. Thank you for watching the video. Do share this video with your friends, relatives, and like-minded people. Subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Subscribe to our Twitter and Insta pages for upcoming more updates. Thank you.